Let it ride for like
Brakes.
Yeah, flies off my edge. Well,
I wish I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice to sing some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think.
Whoever was messing with this last really messed
Get it
up.
closer to me.
What are we doing here? Okay, so what we're doing here is we're doing an acid-base experiment. What we have right here is sodium hydroxide with some phenolphthalein in it to show it's a base. Phenolphtalein is an indicator which makes the sodium hydroxide pink. So what we're studying right now is about pH and about acids and bases. And the indicator phenolphthalein, pink is a signature color for basic elements. And so what we're doing today is we gotta fill up this beret here. We're gonna fill it with hydrochloric acid and figure out how much hydrochloric acid we need in milliliters to neutralize the sodium hydroxide solution to make it clear again. That's the basis of this experiment.
We're doing an experiment to see how much acid we need to put in a base to figure out the molarity of it. When we put stuff in, we put too much in, and we didn't mix it, and so we probably put way too much acid in. But so we're gonna do it again.
yeah, that's fine.
Ready? Yeah. Stay away.
Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to
Mine's not clear yet.
Okay, this time to 4. Stay away.
Stop. Stop.
Sometimes I shouldn't smell it. When I was young, I'm unable to identify where it's coming from.
Alright, this time to 5.
If I ever found to try to steal it, never snap out of it. I feel
Stop.
one piece of my brother, 'cause we're in the same clothes, home, doing the stone.
This time stop me at 10.
Wait, bottom or top?
I'll tell you what, rinse this stuff out if you would there and come let me reload another 25. Because what I think
And we're clear.
That looks like 10.
Hi, Mr. Rasmussen, in my 4th period chemistry class, and go ahead and pan my students. They're all out there working pretty hard at figuring out this titration. Titration is where you have an unknown concentration of a substance, in this case a base, sodium chloride, and I'm giving them all 25 milliliters of sodium chloride, and then they have to bring it to neutral with a known concentration, which is a 0.5 hydrochloric acid, and see how many milliliters they need in order to neutralize the base. And they're in the midst of doing that. I've had a little bit of a problem here. The labs 3 and 4 came out with what I was expecting, but 1 and 2 and 5 and 6 were off a little. But I think I know the problem. The problem is we used a higher strength hydrochloric acid in those burettes. We used a full 1 molar. So we're going to see how their calculations come out if they use a 1 molar hydrochloric acid.
I don't have any acid.
So press
Basil, I need some acid.